The Munich Space Summit is more than a conference. It is a place where science, industry, and politics come together. A place where innovation, research, and application are connected.
The special feature this year is that we connect navigation, communication, and it's great to meet people, to meet friends.
Germany needs a new space community which works together. So the big players together with the new startups. And this combination is the best for us.
We have very strong capabilities, for example, in Germany, in France, in Italy, but we need a European approach because only together we are really strong, especially in the new geopolitical environment.
We all pull at the same string, you know what I mean? Not being too diverse in too many different areas and fighting against each other.
There is a need to change the mindset in the sense that we have always built very accurate performance sensors and systems, which on one side provide precise navigation and all what we said, but are very sensitive.
You know, you have to translate the ambition for resilience and strategic autonomy and sovereignty into real concrete policies at European level and at national level.
The way the conflicts are dealt with, the way warfighting is happening, space is an integral part of that.
We need space to deliver now. Space is not anymore a technology of the future, space is a technology of today.
The most space-minded people and the brightest people in the whole space business are gathered these days in Munich.
It's larger, it's more comprehensive, and it's even more widely recognized than it has been before.
For us, it's important here to have networking and also to represent what we are doing for Europe.
European Union is there, ESA is there, Bundeswehr is there, so I think it's really good to see the opportunities.
The Space Summit has been great, one of the best in the past years. The amount of people, the level of people.
Space is one of the key components of our ambition to create a Europe that is sovereign, that is capable of defending its own interests politically, economically, technologically, and militarily. And therefore, space is the future for Europe.